while in every way we're respecting the laws, this mission, it's heavy. We don't know what's gonna happen. We could face some pretty immense consequences. Like at the end of this, we could be walking away in handcuffs.
Never, ever give up. Don't give up. Don't allow it to happen. Give 100% of what you've got. If there's a concrete wall in front of you, go through it, go over it, go around it, but get to the other side of that wall. No matter how long we're on this planet, it's really just a speck of time.
Getting everything packed up. You ready, bud?
Oh yeah.
Alina, you ready?
I'm ready.
Sun's about to rise. We're here on this beautiful river, the Rio Grande. The river itself is what makes up the border between these two lands. And this is where our journey begins.
Who just rocked out, Corbin?
Looks like it's a Mexican crew right here.
So we're on this 3-day river trip, and the Mexican team showed up in like $20 Walmart rafts. Just giving them a little river tug. We're like river Ubers.
Mira, ¿cómo se llama su bota?
Perla negra.
Perla negra, la black pearl. Johnny Depp ain't got nothing on this bill. ¿Todo bien, Sebastian?
It's fun.
Luis, ¿qué pasa a su bota?
Se ha hundido.
Está lleno.
Es el Titanic.
We're here to establish a highline that crosses the border from Mexico to United States of America.
What do you hope the world sees from this?
I hope people stand with us in our message of coming together and using their passions to connect with other cultures, you know, and that's it. So after a long day of paddling, we're at our base camp.
So what are you packing for right now?
Packing to go scope out the U.S. side. Ideally, it'd be great to have found our anchors or a good spot to drop the tagline.
How are you feeling?
Like emotion everywhere.
We're gonna have one person kayak down to maybe see if there are trails.
Yo, I think I found a way.
Y en este momento estamos haciendo el scouting para encontrar la mejor opción para poner la línea.
We're looking for possible anchors, but we're just looking around.
Güey, pues, increíble. Estamos en medio de la nada, enfrente está Estados Unidos, estamos en México y vamos a conectar los dos países con una cuerda.
Okay, my friends, are we ready to tag the line?
Ya llega la marea, ya lo logramos, banda, listo. Ahí va para allá.
Connection is made.
¿Listos?
moment of the dream come true.
All right, boys, let's head back to base camp.
So while in every way we're respecting the laws, this mission, it's heavy. You all are putting your freedom on the line. We're taking a stand against an unjust system, and so we may be treated in an unjust way. So what we're here to do is deconstruct the belief that this line separates us.
Es increíble estar en la frontera y que en realidad no existe una frontera, simplemente es algo ideológico. Algo que estamos imaginando que existe porque si volteamos a ver, en realidad no. A la naturaleza no le importa esas ideas, no le importa eso. En realidad todos somos humanos y todos compartimos un gusto bien lindo por estar aquí.
Not because of the highline itself, but because of what it stands for. In a world that is constantly trying to tear us apart, we are here to come together to cross those imaginary lines that divide us. And all that to say is we're peoples that come from different lands, but we're all one.
You did it, man. Mission accomplished.
Almost, man. One last thing. Jaime, you ready?
Sí, compa, a la centro.
Any final thoughts?
International love. We're all humans here, and the sooner that we start seeing ourselves as one united human species, there's no telling where we'll go.
Come here.
You cried.
Thank you. Thank you.
Keep training, bro. You have a big heart, bro.
Likewise.
Likewise.